So it is Saturday and we are 13 days till Halloween. And I have the Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar. And it's got 13 different little characters. And we've got 13 different days to count down to Halloween. I did get this off of the DisneyStore.com. It was marked down. They were doing 30% off of Halloween at the time, so I think I got this for like $28 plus shipping and tax. But I thought it was really cute not to get, so I don't know which way to start because we've got one here and 13th. So do we go this way or do we go this way? I feel like we should start at 13 and count our, like, so it's one day till Halloween. Like, that's what I feel like should be done. So I'm gonna open 13 right here and see what we got. Trying to push it open and get, oh, cute. It is, oh, this is actually like a decent, like, quality. It is, I feel like Wampa is the wrong one, but it's the creature from Hoth, the snow planet, in a little vampire outfit. Super cute, and it's actually really heavy. Like, it's a good quality, which makes me really happy that I got these, knowing that I'm actually going to be getting good quality stuff. So stay tuned till tomorrow and we will open up number 12 all the way till we get to Halloween. See you guys next time. Hey guys, so it is day 12 of our countdown for Halloween. If you haven't already seen the video, we have the Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar, 13-day countdown, and yesterday we did day 13, so go check that video out. And today, so we've already done this one. This guy is already gone, so we are going to do 12 right here, and I need to get better leverage on it. All right. Oh, that is cute. So here is our day 12. He's even got a little devil's tail. And like I said before, these characters are like really good quality. Like, these are not cheaply made characters. So super excited. I'm drawing a blank on the character's name, on the creature's name. But I know, I feel like these were the creature. I want to say Mandalorian, but I know that's wrong. But I promise I know Star Wars. Okay. So again, this is day 12. Check out yesterday's video, which is day 13. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 11. See you next time. Hey everybody, it is another day. We are at day 11 of our Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar. And let's get into it. If you haven't already seen the other two videos, we've already done 13 and 12. So today we are opening 11. Check out the other videos for the other days. Okay, this one's cute. It's a little Jabba, and it's got little bat wings. That one is super cute. And again, like I keep telling you guys, like, this is actually good quality. Like, these are like sturdy. These are not flimsy. little figurines, which make me super happy. So now I just got to figure out where to store them all and if they come out every Halloween or if I keep them out year round. So again, this is day 11 of our countdown to Halloween with our Star Wars countdown calendar. And we got a little Jabba. All right, guys. Or the Hutts, I guess we'll say, because I don't think little Jabba was ever like a character. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you like seeing all of these guys? Are you excited about what the other 10 are? Because we've only done 3. We've got 10 more days till Halloween, so we've got 10 more figurines to open. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we are back. It is day 10 of our Star Wars Halloween collection calendar, advent calendar, whatever you want to call it. So we've gotten some really cute things so far for the last 3 days. If you want to see those, go take a look at the other videos. But let's get into day 10. See if I can open it with this angle, which I can't, so they definitely don't make it like super easy for these to come out. Like, I gotta get my nail in there and everything. Oh my gosh. And it's stuck in there. Okay. He's stuck. So I gotta fish him out with something. But oh my gosh, he's super cute. Oh, okay. He almost fell. Okay. So here's day 10. Super cute. Sitting in the skull. So yeah, day 10. And yes, I don't remember the name of this creature either, but I know I've seen him in the movies. I really got to study up on my creatures for Star Wars. All right, guys. See you tomorrow for day 9. Hey, guys. We are back. It is day 10. No, day 9 of our Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar. It went to day 13. So we've gotten 4 of these buddies open so far. And they've all been super cute. If you want to see, go take a look at the other videos that I've got posted. And let's get into number 9 right here. And see if I can't. Ow! I'm going to break a nail. So we are using a crochet needle, which just so happens to be at my desk for some odd reason. Oh my gosh. It's a skeleton R2 and it is so cute. Like, it is skeleton on both sides. And of course we've got a darker head than just the white, but it's super cute. So now we're getting into the more well-known because we've got 8 days left. But let me know in the comments so far. What do you think? What's your favorite character that we've opened up so far? Oh, and it looks like it's got like, it's like wearing a sheet over it. I just noticed that. That's really cute. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Hey, guys. We are back. It is another day, another morning. We are on, I want to say day 8 of the Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar. Yeah, we are on day 8 right here. So without further ado, as always, if you want to see the other things, the other characters, be sure to check out the other videos. And let me see if I can get him out. Okay, that was actually a little bit easier to open, even though he was a little stuck. And it is super cute. We have an Ewok, the witch's hat, and cauldron. Super cute. So very happy about that. So we are halfway through the unboxing of the countdown calendar. So that means we've got 7 more left after today. So 1 more week into Halloween and 7 more days of cute little guys. All right, guys. As always, see you next. Hey guys, we are back. It is day 7 of our Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar. And let's get into it. I feel like the characters are getting better the closer we get to the countdown. But they are definitely harder to get out. And this one right here is day 7. Little Jawa with the pumpkin. So that was 7. So we've got 6 more to get out. Alright guys, see you next time. Hey guys, so the weekend totally got away from me and I did not get to open the Halloween countdown Star Wars for day 6 and day 5, and here we are technically on day 4. So we've got 3 to open up today. So last Friday we opened up 8, so we have, oh no, we opened up 9. So we have 6 to open up, and then 5, and then 4 today. So we're gonna open up 3. So let's get to it. I had a feeling on the weekend I was gonna get busy with just life. Oh. C-3PO as a skeleton is so cute, and what I think is really cool, got the 2 different color legs, which is awesome. But also what's cool is if you look at the other previous videos, when we opened up R2 was also in a skeleton costume, so they match, which is awesome. So this is for day 6. So let's get into day 5. Hey guys, we are back for another Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar opening. we are on day 3 until Halloween. Pretty excited about that. So we are going to open number 3, and let's see if I can actually, oh, I might be able to, oh, okay. That looks like a Mando helmet with some candy in it, like a trick-or-treat bag, and it is. How cute is that? That is super cute. It kind of almost looked for a second like I could lift this up, but it's definitely supposed to be put down there. But yeah, so that is today's. So yeah, we have 2 more to go, and then it'll be Halloween. And if you want to see the other videos, be sure to go back and look at them, and I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, we are back. Day 2 of Star Wars Halloween Countdown. So we've only got 2 more of these to go. So let's take a look. So we're opening this guy right here. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I actually have to get a thing and actually have a crochet hook at my desk to get these guys out every single day. That's what I've been using. It's an R2 and a pumpkin, even with the hat, pumpkin as a hat. That is just beyond cute. So I'm super excited. Got 1 more day, and then we will have all 13 of our figures, and then Halloween. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below if you like this one, and be sure to go and look at the other videos for the other 12, and see you tomorrow for the final one. Bye. Hey guys, it's here, the last day, day 1 of the Star Wars Halloween countdown calendar, because tomorrow is Halloween. So we've got 1 day to go. So we've got this guy right up here. So all of these have been open. So let's get into it. And of course, if you want to see the other 12, feel free. I just ripped the heck out of that. But oh my god, I am so glad that this is the last one, because it is super cute. It is Mummy Grogu. That is super cute. Can't wait to add this with the other guys. So yeah, that's it guys. We have opened up all of these. This box is now empty. So this is going bye-bye. But you know what? I'm going to be pulling these out every Halloween. These are going to be part of my Halloween decor, because they are all just too cute. Heck, I might try to find somewhere to put them for year-round. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of the whole collection. If you didn't get to see the other 12, look at the other videos. I've posted all of them. And we do have something for Christmas. When Christmas comes, it's not Star Wars, but it is a fandom advent calendar. So that's all I'll say. Stay tuned for other videos. And then December 1, we have our Christmas advent calendar to unbox. See you guys later.